Today, on 6th of July, our first month of YouTube completed. We started on 6th June and have uploaded 36 videos. Without wasting time, let's begin with our 37th episode of Stats to Analyze, first month on YouTube. Let's begin with the dashboard, and then we will lead towards the analytics of our channel. As of now, we have 54 subscribers, 1,498 views, and more than 24 hours and 12 minutes of watch time. When we come to views, in analytics, we can see that views get reduced significantly from 20th June to 30th June. This is the duration when we added voice to our videos. Just to check, we added another voiceless video on 1st July, and boom, the graph went up again. The watch time was somewhat constant, which was approximately 45 to 50 minutes on every video. This is the real subscriber count, as the first 10 were usually our family and friends. After every 2 to 3 days, we usually get a subscriber or two. Again, on 1st July, we got 10 subscribers on voiceless video. So, is my voice vexatious? Should we continue with voice or without voice? Comment down below. As of now, we have almost 400 unique viewers, almost 20 to 22 every day. And, on average, our users watch between 3 to 4 videos. We have almost 6,000 impressions by now, but I really don't think it matters, as on some of our videos, we have more than 400 impressions, and got less than half of my average views, and vice versa. After the beginner's luck, our impression click-through rate got stabilized to 8%, maybe because we don't use cheesy titles and clickbait thumbnails. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more, not like today's video, but for the videos we actually make.